Your exam schedule is a horror movie. 4 finals, 1 week. Zero clue how to survive biology, calculus, history, and literature without your brain melting into a puddle of panic and regret. So what do? You panic cram for the test that's tomorrow, completely ignore the others, and spectacularly bomb all of them. You feel like a total idiot. But you're not. You're just unarmed. Everyone else has a secret weapon. And by the end of this video, you will too. I'm giving you the 4-step playbook to not just survive finals week, but to absolutely dominate it. And keep watching, because there's a critical bonus point in the middle of this video for when you're truly out of time. Let's fix this. Step 1. Build a strategic final exam battle plan. Trying to just study without a plan is a disaster. Your first instinct is suicidal. Only study for the test that's next. History is in 3 days, so you only study history, right? Wrong. Here's how the pros do it. Sit down, right now, grab your exam dates, and admit which subjects make you want to fake your own death. That's your hit list. Now open your calendar. Your worst subject gets daily attention starting today, especially if its final is last. Example. Math final. In 7 days, your worst subject. History. Final in 3 days, English final. In 5 days, the geniuses plan. Days 1 to 3, 45 minutes of math daily plus 2 hours of history. Day 4, take your history final, then do 1 hour of math. Day 5, 1 hour of math plus 2 hours of English. Day 6, take your English final, then study math for 2 to 3 hours. Day 7, final math review, then go crush it. You attack your weakest subject consistently so you're prepared, not panicked. Step 2, pre-plan every single study session. Time to study math is too vague. You need specific orders. You don't just study math. You conquer logarithmic functions using practice problems 1 to 15 from Chapter 8. Here's your pre-session ritual. Get the intel. Find the list of exam topics. Look at past papers. What shows up every single year? Mark these high-value targets. The traffic light system. Red, topics you don't know plus high-priority topics. Attack these first. Yellow, topics you're shaky on. Handle these after the reds. Green, topics you know. Review these last. You always start with the big, scary red topic. Every session, no exceptions. Step 3, weaponize your study techniques. If your study method is rereading notes and highlighting, you're learning nothing. You learn by doing, by failing, by retrieving information under pressure. Your new study session looks like this. Brutal self-testing. Use past exams or practice problems. Try to solve them. Fail. Learn from the answer key. Repeat until you get it right. Embrace the tech. Use tools like StudyFetch to turn your files into flashcards and practice tests instantly. Become the professor. Explain concepts out loud as if teaching them. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it. Time crunch protocol. Watch lectures at 2 times speed. Spam practice questions. Use flashcards. Focus is your only currency. Bonus tip. Get help when you're out of time. Let me say it straight. Sometimes you're too behind to fix it alone. That's where I come in. I help students pass entire courses, math, programming, essays, exams, even full projects. And all the proof is in my Discord. If your deadline's close and you're drowning, I can help you pull it off and walk out with a 90% plus. Contact info is in the description, or join the Discord if you want extra tools and support. Step 4. Bribe your inner idiot. Your brain is a simple pleasure-seeking creature. You must bribe it correctly. Don't reward hours spent studying. Reward focus. Reward completion. How it works. After you successfully execute your pre-planned mission, you get a tiny, immediate reward. 1 piece of candy, 5 minutes of phone time, 1 small, guilt-free purchase under $5. The reward must be immediate and contingent on actual work. This trains your brain to associate studying with dopamine. Your move. Do a single 50-minute study session today using this exact framework. Plan it, execute it, reward it. Comment "locked in" below once you've done it. Want more? Subscribe for clear, honest, no BS tips that actually help you pass. And if you're stuck right now with math, coding, or assignments you can't finish, don't just sit there. Reach out. I've helped hundreds of students go from failing to A- and better. And all the proof is in the Discord, so feel free to check it out. Links is in the description. You could be next. Let's get to work.